Looking for a way to diagnose motherboard issues quickly, without the guesswork? Let's talk about the CT-1 motherboard component coil tester. This compact tool is designed for one primary purpose: qualitative pass-fail testing of inductors, those tiny coils on PC and phone motherboards. It's a dedicated fault check tool that uses electromagnetic induction to tell you if an inductor is shorted or functioning, streamlining the diagnostic step in any repair. Its standout features begin with its high sensitivity and precision. Built specifically for these small components, it delivers accurate detection where a multimeter might struggle. The design is brilliantly user-friendly. You simply power it on, place the probe near the inductor, and read the LED. A green light means the coil is good. No light indicates a likely short circuit. This quick fault detection can save enormous time, especially when dealing with multiple suspect components on a single board. For real-world use, its versatility shines. Whether you're working on a gaming PC motherboard or a compact smartphone logic board, the CT-1's small 3.5 by 7 cm form factor gets into tight spaces. It operates with minimal power consumption, running on a single, widely available CR2032 battery. Just note, you need to supply that battery yourself, as it's not included. That's a minor con for an otherwise convenient tool. In comparison to using a multimeter's continuity mode, the CT-1 offers a more targeted and often faster method for checking coils specifically. A practical tip: always ensure the board is unpowered and use the probe gently to avoid scratching delicate circuits. Overall, the pros are clear: high precision, speed, ease of use, and great portability. The only con is the lack of an included battery. For anyone in electronics repair, from beginners to seasoned technicians, the CT-1 is a focused, valuable tool that makes one common diagnostic task remarkably straightforward. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more. Happy repairing!